Please all participants open our studio and just confirm, have you installed successfully our studio? Okay. Okay. All participants, please open our studio and confirm. Have you latest version of R in your R Studio 4.4.1? Please type your version name. In the case of my R Studio, its version is 4.4.1. If any participant have older versions, although
Sir,
he have
Assalamualaikum. How to
installed.
make this course, sir?
Yes, please.
Hello?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes, sir. I am hearing you. Hello. Are you hearing me? Hello. Mehboob Alam, Dr. Mehboob Alam, are you hearing me? Okay, how to make this for Windows? Here are the three windows. Just click on maximize button. When you click on maximize button, it will show you four windows. Again, three windows. Click on maximize button. It will show four windows. Okay, done. Dr. Mehboob Alam. No. Today, all participants have the latest version of R. So now we need to move to next step. What is the difference between R and R Studio? What is the difference between R and R Studio? R. R is a programming language. A programming language. Like other languages, C++, C++, HTML, Java, Python, or other languages of computer. R is also a programming language. It is a multi-purpose language. You can use it for programming, development, website development, or for data analysis. So we will use it for data analysis. What is R Studio? R Studio is the environment or a frame or IDE, integrated development environment. R is the programming language, while R Studio is the IDE or integrated development environment. It provides us the environment on which we will run R programming. This is the basic definitions of R and R Studio. But now I want to explain in detail with the help of example. I think Dr. Mehboob Alam is not hearing.
Hello?
Yes, Dr.
Hello,
Mehboob.
sir. I did not hear anything.
Okay. I think Dr. Mehboob Alam is not hearing me clearly. If any participant have issue regarding hearing or speaker, he need to just disconnect and reconnect again. Disconnect this meeting and reconnect again for those participants which are unable to hear my voice. But only one participant, Mehboob Alam, need to reconnect meetings. Okay. Now, the next step is, sorry, what is the difference between R and R Studio? R is the programming language, while R is Studio is the IDE. Now I want to explain it more in detail with the help of example. I want to share whiteboard. All participants, let me know, are you seeing my whiteboard? All participants, please check, are you seeing whiteboard? Yes, okay, thank you.
Sorry. This whiteboard, is it like we should delete the R version, delete all that write-up?
No, you don't need to do delete anything. Just check what I am typing in whiteboard. Okay. For example, here is a car A and here is a car B. Car A look like this. Why? On the other hand, car B looking like this. Like this.
Sorry, sir. How do you arrive at that cursor that you
Okay.
are using for going?
Please repeat.
The cursor that you are using for drawing.
Is not visible.
No, I said the cursor that you are using for drawing. It's like you are drawing. Is that not?
You are talking about cursor.
Yes. The one that you use to draw A and B and some images.
You don't need
Yes,
to.
yes.
You don't need to follow me. Just understand. Okay.
Okay, okay.
You don't need to.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you listen?
Yes, sir. Are you hearing me now?
I cannot hear anything.
Again. Okay. Okay. Now, here are the two cars. Car A and car B. Dr. DB, can you open your mic? Please unmute your mic.
Yes, I can hear you.
How are you, Dr. DB?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah,
Now, I want to ask a few questions. For example,
okay.
here is a car A and here is a car B. Okay. If
Yeah,
I say, please drive car A, drive car from 0 to M position. Which car you want to drive? Car A or car B?
um, maybe car A.
You want to drive car A,
Yes,
but when you drive car A, you can face many issues like air. You may face rain. You may face dust. But car B provide you safe journey.
yes, you are right.
Which one you? Why you choose car A?
Oh, because of the, like the diagram you designed maybe from 0 to M. So, maybe for this
No.
smooth journey.
Okay. Okay. When you choose car A, you can face lot of hurdles like
Yeah,
you may face air, you may face rain, you may face dust, you may face uncomfortable on this car.
yes,
While when you choose car B, it provides you a comfortable journey.
yes,
It protects you from sunshine, from rain, from dust. So
exactly.
I think no, you may choose car B.
I understand.
If you select car A, you may face lot of hurdles, but if you choose car B, your journey will be safe.
Yes,
Okay, no. If I say there is only engine within car A, engine is only with car A, and there is no engine within car B. This is just a frame. This is just a frame. Car A have a engine and car B have a frame. If I say car A is the R, car A is the R, Car B is the R Studio. Car B is the R Studio. If I say car A is the R and car B is the R Studio, it's mean you can run R without R Studio, but you can't run R Studio without R. So this is the frame, this is the R programming, this is the R, or you can say it is the engine, and this is the frame. You need to take engine within frame. If you fit the engine of R within this frame of R Studio, then your journey is safe and task you can do your task very easily. So R is the programming language, while R Studio provide you structure where you can run your engine. Actually, when you are working on R Studio, basically on background, its engine is working, R is working. Similarly, you can see in my R Studio. This is the R Studio. This is the car B. R Studio is the car B. It provides you frame where you can run the engine of R programming. R Studio is the frame of car, while R is the engine. When we fit this engine, you can see 4.4.1. I have integrated this 4.4.1 into the framework of R Studio. Now we have two things. One is engine, other is frame in a single frame of R Studio. Hope you have understand what is the difference between R and R Studio. R is the engine, while R Studio is the framework. So
Yes.
we need both for our working. So R is the engine, while R Studio is the frame. So if you know, you can run engine without frame. You can run engine without frame. You can run R without R Studio. It's mean you can run R without R Studio. On the other hand, R Studio is the frame. You can't run R Studio without engine. Similarly, as you can't run frame of car without engine, you can't drive frame or body of car without engine. So R is the engine and R Studio is the framework of your car. Clear? If clear, please type clear, then I will move to next step.
Clear.
Sir, just now I listen only. Just this 20 minute, I did 25 minute, I didn't listen anything.
Sir, please check your mic. Other participant, please.
Already now I can hear, but this 20 minute I didn't listen. There have a setup problem in just only the R Studio. So I have just only one question.
Yes, please.
Now you just tell there have a R Studio. So we are opening R Studio or we are doing a R?
You don't have R within R Studio. Can you share your screen?
Yeah, I have. Yeah, I share. I can share.
Okay, please
how I
share
can
your
share.
screen. Share your screen.
Yeah. This is the share screen. This is R Studio.
Yes, no, you have the latest version of R 4.4.1.
Yeah.
No, it's
And
okay.
also I have this one R consent
Yes.
console.
So you don't need to open.
Okay.
Close it. Close it.
Close it. Close
Yes,
it.
yes, close it. Just open
Okay.
R. Just open R Studio. Because
Yeah.
this R is the engine. No, we have incorporate this engine within R Studio. When we open R Studio,
Okay.
this engine will automatically start.
Okay. Okay. This don't need to open.
Yes,
Just only this. Just only this.
yes, this one. Because you have seen in
Okay.
console in second screen. Here you can open R Studio.
Yeah, R Studio already open. I want to take the
Please
second
check.
screen.
Yes, second screen. No, no.
Okay.
Second screen showing console. Below the first screen. Below the first screen is the second screen.
Okay. This one. Yeah.
Showing this one.
Yes.
Showing R version.
Okay.
R version 4.4.1. They show that
Yeah.
this is the R. No, R is incorporated into your frame of R Studio.
Okay.
This is the engine, and other 3 screens are the frame of your car of your R Studio.
Oh, means these things is engine.
Yes, this
This
is the
one.
engine. This is the R.
Okay. And this three for we are working this three. This
These
one.
are the frame
Okay, frame.
or
Okay.
body other part of the body of your car.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
Okay. Thank you.
okay. Thank you. Now we have a clear idea about what is the R and R Studio. R is the engine and R Studio is the framework of our car. So now we are going to explore about R Studio. In my screen you can see 4 screens. Screen 1, screen 2, screen 2, screen 3, screen 4. You noticed I am typing hashtag again and again with each and every line. Hashtag. As in the definition of R, I have write R is a programming language. R is a language. And each language have vocabulary and grammar like Urdu, English, Bengali, or other Nigerian, other type of language. Our language have its own vocabulary and grammar. Similarly, R also have its vocabulary and grammar. Like here is the word hashtag. It is a word of our language. Hashtag mean comments or heading or title or note. When you type hashtag or number sign with any lines, this line indicates that it is these are the comments, these are the notes. You can see I write a definition and with the help of hashtag at the start. This is also with the help of hashtag. It's mean this is the heading, notes, comments, or maybe something for us, not for R. This is not a code. This is not a script. This is just a heading comments. So hashtag mean comments. So here the hashtag mean I am typing here comments, notes, or just some rough work. Okay. Now I want to show or explain screen 1. This is the screen 1 where I am typing. This screen is the screen number 1. Below the screen, here is this screen is screen number 2. This screen is screen number 2. This one is environment is empty. This screen is the screen number 3, and last one is screen number 4. This is screen number 1, screen number 2, screen number 3, and screen number 4. Screen number 1, 2, 3, 4. I give these numbers for our convenience. For example, when I say please come on screen number 4, you need to focus on this screen. When I say please check screen number 2, you need to focus on screen number 2. When I say come on screen number 1, you need to focus on screen number 1. When I say please check screen number 3, you need to focus on screen number 3. No, these are the number, but each and every screen have some specific names. Each and every screen have some specific name. For example, screen number 1 name is script file. The name of the screen number 1 is script file, while the name of screen number 2 is the console. Name of the screen number 3 is the global environment. And name of the screen number 4 is the plot or packages, file or screen. So we have 4 screen. Screen number 1 name script file, screen number 2 name console, screen number 3 name environment, global environment, and screen number 4 name plot or packages, plot or packages. Screen number 4 name plot or packages. Screen number 1 script file. No, each screen have some specific function. For example, screen 1 have name script file. Its function is, or it is used for writing a script. For example, here I am writing a script. Here is a
Script means the command.
Yes.
Script means the command. You are the screen 1, you are
Yes,
writing the
yes,
command.
command. For
Okay.
example, here is a script. Script means which you want to perform an OR. You write in the form of in the OR language. Here is 5 plus 8. This is a command. This is a script. I want to perform calculation 5 plus 8. So I have write a script in screen number 1. Screen number 2 show the results in the form of words, tables, or paragraph. The result of this calculation will be shown on screen number 2 like this. Click on and run. When you run this code, it will show you the result that is 13 in screen number 2. So screen number 2 will show you the results of the script of which is within screen number 1. When you run the code which is within screen number 1, the result of this code will be appeared in screen number 2. Now the third is global environment. Global environment show you the data, or it is used to import data or have data. or our data will appear in screen 3, while the result of our script in the form of plot, in the form of graph, will appear in screen number 4. Graph or plot. For example, I am running here a code. You can also run this code with me. Just type data iris, type data within bracket, type inverted comma, and within inverted comma just type iris. Click this code and run this code. Here is the button for run. When you run this code, it will show you the data in screen number 3. Here is the data name iris. When you click on it, its detail will appear in screen number 1. You can cross or close it from clicking on this cross button. Yes. No, screen number 1, I write a script data iris. The result of this in the form of data appeared in screen number 4. No, I want to apply core.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah.
I want to know how do you run this thing?
Please repeat your question.
Data. Yeah.
What do you want to say?
Yeah, I mean, I want to know how do you run it? Like from where? Because I was not following what you just said. How do you run this thing, the
Okay,
data iris?
have you typed this line?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, just click within line. Click within
Okay.
line,
Yeah.
or click within data, and here is a run button.
Okay, all right.
Here is the run button. Click on run button. When you click on run button, its results in the form of data will appear in screen number 3. When you click
Okay.
on screen number 3 on iris, its detail will appear in screen number 1.
Okay.
Here is its detail. You can
Okay.
here is a cross button. Click on cross button, it will disappear. But our main data
Okay, sir.
is in
Okay,
screen
I
number
have a
3.
question, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, like you already saved the file iris on your computer, or
Yeah.
how do you?
No, this file is already within R, not in my computer.
Okay.
This data is found within R, and I am just showing you the working of the screen. Don't worry, I am not performing any analysis.
Okay.
I am just showing you the working of these 4 screens. When I run this code, it shows the result in the form of data in screen number 3.
Number 3.
Okay. Now I am running str iris. No. Its result is in the form of table. You can check line number 6 on my screen console. The result in the form of word, table, graph, paragraph will appear in screen number 2. When you run script in screen number 1, if its result is in the form of table, paragraph, or sentence, will appear in screen number 2. But if you run code in screen number 1 and the result of this is in the form of graph, it will appear in screen number 4. Okay. No, I think you have understand the working of these 4 screens. Screen number 1 is used for writing script. Here I am writing script, but its result in the form of data appear in screen number 3. Its result in the form of table or paragraph will appear in screen number 2, while the result in the form of visualization or graph or plot will appear in screen number 4. Clear?
Yeah, sir, I won't mind if you repeat again from screen 3, please.
Yes, okay. Screen 3
Thank
show
you.
us our data.
Okay.
Here is the data set on which we want to perform analysis. For example, you have a data file
Okay.
in your PC of your research data, and you want to analyze this data in R. First step, you need to import this data within R. You can use screen number 3 for import dataset. Okay. Now we are going to next step.
If I want to delete this, all the command need to delete. How to delete this?
Screen number 1, 2, or 3.
Screen number 1.
For screen number 1, you need to select all and press delete button.
Press the delete. Where is the delete button? In laptop.
Yes, on laptop.
What about screen number 3, environment, global environment?
You can delete. Here is the brush button. Here is the brush button. To clean screen number 3, click on brush button and press yes. All data will disappear. If you want to clean screen number 2, here is also a brush button. Click on this brush button. All data will disappear. You can also clean screen number 4 by clicking on this brush button. All plots will disappear.
Screen number 4, I didn't found any brush button here.
Screen number 4 will use to show the results
Delete.
in the form of graph
You
or
go to
plot.
delete.
Screen number 4, I have a just here is coming zoom export these things coming, but in our screen number 4 is not this coming this. Can I show?
Yes, you can show your screen.
No, for screen number 4, you see delete.
Please share your screen. Please share your screen.
You can see this screen already see.
Okay, no, you here in first line. Here is a file, plot.
File, okay.
Click on plots.
Plot.
Plot will
Okay,
appear.
now
Plot will
understood.
appear on this screen. Next is packages. Packages is also a
Next
very
is
important term. We have
okay, just only this.
one single class only for packages. One or
Okay.
60-minute class on just on packages. So we will perform or do work on packages on our next class. No, for example, okay, now I am going to move on other step, what is working directory in R. Let me share my screen. Okay, what is working directory and how to create working directory? What is the working directory I am giving hashtag, so R considered it as heading or comments. I want to give an example, Dr. Mehboob Alam, please open your mic.
Okay.
Okay. For example, you are a postdoc scholar, and Mehboob Alam, MA. M for Mehboob, A for
MA,
Alam.
yeah.
You are
Yes.
MA, and you are sitting with his supervisor,
Okay.
with supervisor in your lab. SP for supervisor. No, your supervisor have a keys, and he say please go to lab and check cable number 48. It's your. No, it's your. You need to take or you need to save all your lab things, chemicals, or other documents within cable number 48. Okay. Today's first day with your supervisor. Your supervisor gives you a key and ask to place you need to bring or you need to save all your documents or your necessary things related to your experiment or related to your research. Save within cable number 48. Okay. Dr. Mehboob Alam go to lab, check cable number 48 and clean and save all necessary things within cable number 48. No. Again, Mahboob Alam and his supervisor is sitting within lab. No, his supervisor say, please open your laptop and create a folder within your lab. Give its name "48". Give its name batch 48. No, you need to save all your research paper, all your Word documents, all information in the form of soft copy. Save within batch or within folder name batch 48. You have done 2 tasks. No, again your supervisor say, please create a working directory in R, give its name batch 48 and save all data related to analysis or data analysis within this directory. No, Dr. Mehboob Alam have completed 3 tasks. One, no, he have a cable number 48, have create folder batch 48 and have create working directory batch 48. If you check it deeply, you can see all these 3 things are same, like cable, folder, and working directory. Or these are same things. In our real or physical life, we say it cable, while in our PC, we say this cable is a folder because the purpose of the cable and folder is save. We can use both these for save our important document or important things. The third is working directory. It is also a folder. It is also a cable, but the name is changed. This is also used to save our important document in the form of data or in the form of Excel sheet or in the form of tables in the form of figures or in the form of graphs. So when you need to save your physical things, like you save your book, you need a kebun because book is a physical. When you want to save soft form or soft copies, you need a folder. For example, you have a book in PDF. You can save this within folder. If you have a data like Excel sheet, you need to save it in within working directory. Actually, if I summarize it, these three things are the folder, because you are familiar with folder. So I am giving its name folder and you will be easily understand. These three things are folders, but the names are different. In our physical life or physical environment, it is a kebun, but this kebun is found in our PC. We say it folder, and if we have a folder within R, we say it is a working directory. So all these are kebun, all these are folder, all these are working directory. I hope now you are understand what is working directory. Clear? Please type clear if you have understand what is working directory.
The working directory means
Folder.
if we read the command, yeah, in folder, yes,
Working
yes.
directory means simple is a folder, but in when you work on in your physical lab, you say it is a kebun. When you are working within your PC or laptop, you say it is folder. And when you are working in your R studio, you say it is a working directory. Actually, all these are folder, all these are kebun, all these are working directory. But according to its place, these have different names. The working is same for all three things. Okay, the next step is how to create working directory, how to create kebun, how to create folder, how to create a working directory. If I open my desktop or just right click new folder, here is a folder. But how to create a working directory? For working directory, you need help of RStudio. So open RStudio. No, all participants please ready for creating a working directory. All participants please open RStudio. Come on screen number 3. Come on screen number 3. Here is a screen number 3 showing environment is empty. Showing environment is empty.
Okay.
Click on at the top corner of the right side showing project none. In my case, it is showing batch 40, but in your case, you are seeing being project none.
None, yes.
Click
Yeah,
on
project name.
click on project none.
Okay.
It will show you a new project. First one. Click on first one.
New project.
New project. When you click on new project, it will show
Save.
you want to save or not. If this work is important, you can save. If it's just a simple or rough work, you can ignore or you can press don't save. No, my work is not important, just rough. I want to say don't save.
If I want to save, then
you can save.
Save where? There have 3 types: the new directory, existing directory, version control.
Okay, please wait. No, you after next button, when you save or don't save, after this, when you click on next button, 3 point will appear. First, new directory, existing directory, version control. You need to click on new directory. click on New Directory, click on New Project. After selecting directory, click on New Project. And here you need to type your folder name. I am giving batch 48. You also give batch 48. Here is a browse button. You can select where you want to save. I am selecting drive E. Now I want to save this folder within directory within folder E. So open. Here he select E. Here you can find use our environment with this project. Don't need to tick here. Ignore and click on create project. When you click on create project, R Studio will show you a new windows, new directories, new R Studios, and showing you on screen number 3 batch 48. Now you can see in my case it's showing batch 48 in my screen number 3. Have you done this step?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
The one screen already gone.
Okay, thank you.
Now the 3 screen.
No, the 3 screen, no issue. Just click on this button, minimize and maximize. It will show you 4 screen again. Okay. Okay. Today is our second class, and we have done till working directory. In our next class, we will perform how to import a file in R for analysis, and what are packages and how to install these packages. Okay, thank you.
Okay, sir. Can you give the advance in data?
Yes, I will give you data for analysis.
Okay.
And after few classes, when you have learned basic reading, writing, and editing of our language, then I will allow you perform analysis on your own data.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, thank you. No, time of my next class have been started. I want to share link with next class. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you.